Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of PowerSports on YouTube. So you guys can make fun of me all you want, but I can barely touch the ground on this bike. I mean, I am on my tiptoes and the seat is so hard that I don't even want to sit on it. So we went ahead and got a new seat that's lower and softer. And honestly, installing it is so simple. There's almost no reason to even do a video on it, but we're gonna do a video on it anyway. So to get your old seat off, you just wanna pop this one bolt loose. Whoa. Take it out. Okay, and then to get the seat off, just lift up a little bit, pull forward, and then you gotta really smack her. There we go. Okay, perfect. And while I'm under here, I installed a starting capacitor. I'm just making sure nothing was rubbing, and it looks like we're all right there. So, okay, the old seat is off, the super rock hard tall seat. We got a brand new seat concept seat from Takomoto. Takomoto is the company that I am using to help me build this Baja bike part by part. And this is actually the last part that I'm hoping I have to buy until the spring, simply because I wasn't expecting to spend this much money on parts anyway. Make sure it's basically the exact same thing. And I had thought I was buying a blue seat, but it's blue stitching, but that's fine, because I mean, I can change the graphics colors however I want, and I do really like this fake carbon fiber look, unless it's real. It could be real. Anyway, so this seat is low compared to the other seat. I mean, it's low. And it's wider, it's very comfy, so we're gonna have a good day with that. And to get the seat on, you just do the opposite of when you took it off. So you just wanna get it lined up here, and then you can slowly start sliding it down, and everything should just hook right in. Unless I, well, shit. Come on. Man, it really is tight. Okay. Actually, I think that looks pretty good, the black and white. You could do like a black, yellow, and white color scheme and just get rid of as much of the blue as possible. Although our team captain, Adam, said he really liked the blue. He's a Yamaha guy, so I'm not sure how we'll do our color scheme when the time comes. So then you just want to get this back in, and you don't want to over tighten it because it's just into plastic. Got to be really careful with that. Tight enough it won't come loose, not so tight that you destroy it. All right. Now let's see, can I actually get my toes down? Oh my God, look at that. I got the balls of my feet down on the ground, and I am not in excruciating pain on my butt. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm liking this seat a lot. This will be great for daily driving. Oh yeah. Perfect. Ah. All right, there you have it. That's our Seat Concepts seat for a 2024 FE 501s. Thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you next time.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car now.